See, seven go suck on the mama, man. Seven crave like delivery, we deliver food and them stuff with them.
And Jayden said that.
Anna first come out and talk, say his sister doing it. And he might remember joke about
it. The same thing, it's like you only call her order food when you're hungry, so and something we use all the time is a no and then thing. So basically another
who first said
media say Meka is a no.
Who first said? Who first said?
Anna.
Alright, so if you come back around joke about it, Anna, you forget blame. So you can
forget blame.
You can cuss the sister when they do it. And it's just a fucking truth. Who want vex? Who want vex, bro? Cuss the sister first.
God have mercy. No, wait. We never realized that we're on the live. First of all, let me tell you this. I don't even know one at all.
Yo, first of all, me tell Meka already. Me and you cannot date because the family is going to in our business. And look at this. They are in our business and we are not even dating.
I'm where food? I'm hungry.
All I am simply saying is that I don't give a f.
She said, "Onu did that. I shall did that. Me and I never there."
Me not go running for that.
Put me in a it for Anna send me this. When me have to do with this, look at me, no want to get blood clot mad, you know. Cause long time me no cuss for fucking me there.
Calm down yourself, girl.
Me no want them mix me.
You calm down, calm down.
Me calm, but me no want them mix me.
Don't stop cursing now.
Guys, I didn't get nothing. No front, nothing. I didn't get nothing.
Right now, I want pee, you know. What the hell, man, up on the live, look while? It never strong as fuck. But what? But say nothing bad just now?
I'm a changed man, and I don't want this drama. I get nothing.
Woman, I eat making cuss now, bro. We are going to cuss with him too.
Me not cuss her,
make she stay in her heat, bro. She not heat, me not cuss with her, bro. But me just have to hold on to what me say. Me not go come out go cuss Jayden if me never come out go cuss who this started.
And me say, if Jayden knows that him and her have, if Jayden knows that him and the girl fuck in a piece so.
You and the girl don't do nothing.
And that me say, me never say nothing bad, me I pick up for any them.
But me and the girl don't do nothing.
Yes, but if you know say you fuck me, can
me and her did nothing. We did nothing. Why would she come up and say that?
I'm busy about it, you know. I just know say me got talk about this other part. And I'm going to put on a green screen. I'm going to say to me, I'm going to say, I put this something on my chest. Me say, hi. Me say, hi baby. Me say they enough it company media with it. Then should have go on a phone call.
Hold on. So hold on. Annie never, hold on. Annie never cuss Anna. Guys, when Anna said that, Annie never cuss Anna. Knock. So the fuck she want cuss me? Oh, the fuck she want cuss me? Oh, the fuck you want cuss me? She say a joke and I make. So I no joke me I make. Me don't know how you know she said. I'm tapping nice. Come like you don't know when man no want to you know. Something really wrong with it, you know. I couldn't know when man no want to know. You come like you no blind. You don't know when man no want to know. I'm tapping nice.
It's not we don't care, bro. We don't want you to look at it, bro. Because we're not going to see nobody over here start arguing with nobody, bro. You hear that, bro? We are a bigger one. You see me? We are the bigger one. So I don't want to hear nothing from none about who I cuss, who I want to cuss. So I really don't want to hear anything. You see me? WhatsApp, go hold no reasoning about it, bro. Everything on the crap on the media come and cuss, and in no anger and then start cussing no friend them. And then when you don't know, so sorry about it. She's a mother, she don't go like for no for. I saw a boy done. But I know first, the call on that talk and done is how you come up now. Jayden.
Let me tell you how you come up. Let me tell you how you come up. Let me tell you
how you come up because that talk and done a long time. How you come back up now so you cuss over it.
When Bumbleclad and Anna said, Meka never Bumbleclad ball. Let me tell you, me unfollow Meka and Meka start rascal ball on the line. And I come use Bumbleclad and I come use Bumbleclad DoorDash for as Bumbleclad excuse. Bumbleclad do no man. Don't come try using a local rat brain for me. I want to know. I mean I want this in you know. I mean I tell you the truth, I want this in you. Because I still have respect for you. Yeah? Bumbleclad go on like say, you know come Bumbleclad go on like say, a Bumbleclad something that I come go on like say a video make on a Bumbleclad a ball. Don't come use no Bumbleclad brain for me, bro. I'm still not disrespect on you know youth. Cause I still have respect for you know. I don't give a fuck about riddance. Don't come use no mind game, yes, sir. What I'm telling you. So, hold on. Me call you, hold on. So, me call you door, so me run a joke and call you DoorDash. That means every company media and talk about so we fuck. And we no fuck. Me and her no fuck. Me don't tell her already, you know. Me tell her already to her face, you know. Me and you not gonna date because your family's gonna get your family's gonna end my relationship. Me don't tell her that already, bro. Now come go like a me, you know come go like a me for Scott. When Anna did call her DoorDash, she ball. When her own family call her DoorDash, she ball. When you want blood can call your Bumbleclad DoorDash. Your ball. So the fuck you want ball when me run look a joke? Don't Bumbleclad use no style up yourself, you know. Me don't want to use no style or no craft by me, you know. Cause me always one step ahead, you know. You can't use no brain for me, bro. I'm still not this one. Cause if you don't want me talk for true, you know. If you know me talk for true. But because I'm a change man, I'm allowed that alone. When me there at the Bumbleclad party, Mama keep on a push up herself for me. And me keep on a move. Me keep on a move. I want that time Mama kiss her for me. And me a move. I want to know, hey, no me Bumbleclad talk, you know. Don't make me Bumbleclad talk. Me have respect for Annie, you know. I call me have respect for Annie, you know. You see it? No matter what Annie say about me, I mean not give a fuck what Annie want to say about me. I still got respect for you, know. Like me. So if you like me, I mean not like you. If you love me, I mean I love you. Me no want to talk, you know. Me no want to talk. Don't me talk. Because if you don't keep on put me in a position where I have to defend myself, I go have to talk. Talk put me in a position, bro, where I have to defend myself, bro. No. Me not go there with you. Because your family go in our business. Me don't see this from a mile away. Me see this 10 miles away. Is it? Me see this 10 miles away, bro. Is it? Me see this 10 miles away, bro. You see me I say? You don't understand how your own blood can call your door dash. And when me said, yeah, you style. And a ball, bro. Yeah, a ball for. Fabi, what want to talk about? What she say? What she say? What she say? She said, because of Fabi, you make she lie about there with me. What? I chose Fabi over her. I wonder if I want to put on a foot in the part there. You know, so when I mix up, she go to leave a car on him. I'm still, bro. I don't want to have nothing with Annie them, bro. I swear. Me still respect Annie, bro. You see it? All of this I could have done on a phone call, bro. You see it? You say you not like something, bro. You as a big woman, bro, you call me youth. You call me, bro. Call me youth. And then I go do that. And then I go do that. And then I go do that, youth. Tell me how to do that.
You don't look a pussy. You do anything to get blood clot views. You don't care who you want jacked down. And that me I tell you. You don't rate nobody. Seven Cray. I say your style me youth. And next me and you feel laugh up and kick. Hey, I'm a friend, yeah, a friend. Man, move your bumbo clot and go from yourself.
Everybody will pick up the screen. Yes, I'll be by themselves.
I feel like say, yeah, let me tell you something, you know. All along, you know, just rate you, you know, brother. That me I tell you, you know. All along, I rate me, just rate you, see me just relax.
Bro, I can't take Jayden serious enough. Jayden a madman, you know, man.
Ah! 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 Bumbo clock, somebody with sense there.
You know them way that in their own, so we don't know what kind of style that. You know them way that?
I fuck with style that, brother. I can walk you up, girl picnic. You don't like a man come style that at 7 grade.
Come on, dad.
So, what on?
Lick off the bleachings off of your blood clot skin. Jayden nose big like a blood clot sweet pepper. Who is him? Because of him blood clot crown and the money. He feel like he can't go disrespect people the girl picnic.
I fuck them and do that.
Oh,
And you say you wonder with my youth. How the fuck you did this style of speaker? What do you come from like him and talk about be your own clothes speaker Avan if a church clothes? I saw him and disrespect me like a blood clot. So if you want disrespect you little girl stuff.
Let me text it for the girl, dad.
He might take a blood clot.
no, me not take no set. Me not take no set. No, me, bro. Me literally, me literally not take no set, bro. Me literally not, bro. If Meka did dress good, bro, would I say Meka dress good? Just like how me say Chanel dress good. Anybody me fear take set pan or Chanel? Anybody me fear take set pan or Chanel, bro? So, what the fuck me I take set pan Meka for? Guys, me say it before now, guys. Me say it before. Them I go vex when me do the review, yeah. But it's the truth. Even Meka come say it. Her bum buckle herself, so she don't look good. So well on. So she not gonna cost Meka for company media for she own herself don't look good then. Even Meka come say it. Even Meka come say she don't look good, bro. So what Anya say?